Hey, I'm Varish, and welcome to my channel, Mindware Metaverse, where AI meets the future and we break down what's coming next. Today, we're exploring
Part 2. From Text to Image. In Part 1, we explored text options. AI tools are making it easier than ever to create high-quality images from simple ideas. Using machine learning and computer vision, these platforms can take just a few words and turn them into detailed, vibrant visuals. Whether you're working on concept art, marketing visuals, or graphic design, AI helps you bring your ideas to life fast. These tools understand mood, style, and context, transforming simple descriptions into images that match your vision. Whether you're sparking creativity or visualizing a concept, these platforms help you create visuals that connect with your audience. And, in my opinion, these are the 3 platforms changing the way we create images. Number 1. DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. Strengths. Highly creative. It generates surreal and imaginative images from simple text prompts. High detail and resolution. It produces clear, high-quality images even for complex prompts. Image editing. The in-painting tool lets you edit parts of an image without affecting the rest. And a wide range of styles, from photorealism to abstract art. Weaknesses, limited specificity. It can struggle with highly specific or very complex prompts. Potential bias. In some cases, it may produce biased or inappropriate content. And yes, pricing. It can get expensive for high volume or commercial use. Best for artists, designers, and creatives who want imaginative, surreal, or beautifully detailed images from text prompts. Number 2. Midjourney. Strengths. Cinematic quality. It produces dramatic, high visual impact images with a true cinematic flair. Artistic flexibility. It's perfect for abstract, fantasy, and sci-fi art with tons of creative freedom. Quick iterations. You can generate multiple variations in seconds. And community. A strong creative community for sharing prompts and styles. Weaknesses. Less realism. It's not ideal for realistic images like product photography. Limited control. You don't always get precise control over lighting or object placement. And subscription pricing. Full access requires a paid plan. Best for artists and creatives who want stylized cinematic imagery for fantasy, sci-fi, and conceptual designs. Number 3. Stable diffusion. Strengths. Open source. You can run it locally for full control and deep customization. High customizability, fine-tune prompts, styles and outputs exactly the way you want. Cost effective. Run it on your own system and avoid recurring cloud costs. Diverse styles. From realistic visuals to abstract art with consistent detail. Weaknesses, hardware requirements. You need powerful hardware, like a high-end GPU, to run it smoothly. Slower generation. Local setups can take longer than cloud-based tools. Technical setup. It requires some technical know-how to set up and use effectively. Best for developers, artists, and professionals who want complete control, open source flexibility, and a cost-effective solution. These platforms represent the top image generation tools available today. Each one excels in different areas, from creativity and artistic style to flexibility and control. Depending on your needs, whether it's highly stylized images or realistic visuals, one of these platforms will suit your project perfectly. Each one serves a niche, but the principle remains the same. You describe, the AI predicts, and your concept becomes visual. In the next part, we move from still images to motion. Thanks for joining me in this video, and make sure to watch the next part, where we take abstract thought even deeper into virtual reality. If you found this interesting, share it with your friends and spread the word. And, of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next.